Welcome to the HTML tutorials. HTML is the standard markup language for web pages. It defines the structure and content of a document, enabling browsers to display information effectively. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It defines how content like text, images, and links are displayed. It is developed in the early 1990s by Tim Berners-Lee. The latest version is HTML5. Let's discuss about basic structure of HTML, which divided into 5 simple things. Doctype declaration, which specifies the version of HTML used for browser compatibility. Next is HTML tags, which are elements enclosed in angle brackets that define the page structure. Next is head section, which contains metadata about the document, including title and scripts. Next is body section, which includes all visible content like text, images, and videos. And last is attributes, which provide additional information about elements, example href, or src. This slide highlights some common HTML elements. For text formatting, we use tags like B for bold, I for italics, and U for underline to style our content. Links are created using the A tag, which lets us connect to other web pages or resources. Lists are organized using L for unordered and OL for ordered lists, with each item inside an LI tag. And for adding images, we use the IMG tag, specifying the source and alt text for accessibility. These basic elements are essential building blocks of any web page. HTML forms are essential for collecting user input on websites, whether it's login details, search queries, or feedback. Forms use various input types like text fields, radio buttons, checkboxes, and drop-downs to capture different kinds of data. When a form is submitted, the data is sent to a server using methods like get or post, allowing it to be processed or stored. And finally, validating form data is crucial. It ensures that the information entered is correct and complete before submission, improving user experience and security. HTML tables are used to organize data in a structured, grid-like format. A table is built using rows and columns, with the table tag wrapping the entire structure. Headers are defined using the th tag and typically appear at the top of each column to describe the data. Each row is created with a tr tag, and inside each row, we use td for data cells. We can also style tables using CSS to improve readability by adding borders, alternating row colors, or aligning text. Advanced HTML features help enhance the structure and functionality of web pages. Semantic elements like header, article, and footer give meaning to the content and improve accessibility and SEO. Multimedia elements, such as audio and video, allow us to embed media directly into the web page without needing third-party plugins. The canvas element provides a space for dynamic graphics, enabling drawing and animation directly in the browser. And web storage allows websites to store data locally on a user's device using tools like local storage or session storage, which is handy for things like saving user preferences or session data. Thank you for watching this video.